this is Jake from JakeTheStockGuy.com. Let's get right into today's daily recap video for the small account challenge. I know I haven't been around in about 6 months was the last time I posted a video, but I'm back. A little bit of life circumstances took over, but I'm back and I'm happy to be back, and I'm grateful to be on YouTube and be able to share these videos with you guys. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I put a lot of energy and effort into these videos. I hope you guys get a lot of value from them, and hit the notification icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. I don't just do daily recaps on the stock market indexes. I don't just do daily recaps on my profit and losses. I am going to also start to do some education content. So if you're looking to learn, you might want to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So do that. I really appreciate it. So today's daily recap is total profits of $769.03. You can see here Tesla 876, CYN negative $2.97, Fubo negative $20, and AXP negative $84, which I'm pretty bummed about getting stopped out. But yeah, you can see this is a real account. This is not paper trade account. This is my brokerage account. The small account challenge has $2,000 in it. It's up to $3,500 now after this week. So let's go to trading. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet with you guys. Also, if you're interested, I also offer alerts and education. I run a private Slack group. I don't know how many members are in there. I think 800. But you could see here, so this was the morning. This was this morning. Good morning and happy Friday. You can see here on watch AMD, Tesla, AXP. And then I go through and I talk about the ticker stock, the expiration date, the strike price, and then which direction, call, C, put, P. I talk about the target. I talk about our stop losses on Fridays, and I talk about risk management, and then I do some charting. You can see here. Can I blow this up? Yeah. So you can see here my charts that I was drawing. Okay, Tesla, strike price, same thing, targets, stop losses, AXP. Those were my 3 picks this morning. And then I made some notes pre-market. So let's go. The bulk of the gains today was through Tesla. So Tesla was a quick trade. Go into Tesla. So we can see here, first thing in the morning, we had this really nice green candle to break out all-time highs. We got in around this 5-minute on the 50-day simple moving average time frame. I was down a little bit, and then boom, I was up about 100%. Didn't quite sell here. I was expecting a little bit higher, and then during this pullback, I sold. I didn't really hold through all this and then sell up here. But it was a good sell right here, almost 100% on my position. And this is a 5-minute time frame on the 10-day, so this is a 5-minute candle. I made this much money, and that was my day. I was done in 5 minutes of trading. I was done. I don't think I went for a jog. So Tesla, I talked about 920 being the target to 930, and stocks don't always go to our targets, but 910 makes sense, right? You can think about it in terms of psychology. 890, 900, 910, 920, 930, 40, 50, also 100, 150, 200, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200. So you can think about it in terms of the psychology of trading. AXP was another alert I called out, American Express. It was a beat on earnings, and this one was great. And let me blow this up here really quick so you can see. Not quite to my target here. Yeah, get in on the retest, ride it up like a cowboy. But this one trade, this one candle right here was really nice. One trade I missed was CLF. That would have been a big boy. I missed it, but it was a great trade. Yeah, this was a great trade. There's an earnings winner. But let me see something here. AXP, I talked about it right here on the day. AXP, I myself didn't take it. I focused on Tesla, but you can see here, I didn't have a single red. I had 3 red people today, and most people were green, even on the week green. This guy made 319% on AXP. Great job, all about the money. So you guys, I mean, look at this guy, Paul Anderson. These calls are absolutely unreal. My trading goal used to be 10K a month. I did just under that. I did just under that in a week. Thank you, Jake and his team. So you guys, we probably have the best group online for options. It's absolutely ridiculous what we do here on a daily basis. And then AMD, go through here, show you this last chart. Yeah, so with AMD, we got a nice little bounce off support. This line I drew, support line. The way to identify support and resistance lines are on historical price action data information. If you want to learn more about the technical analysis and trading, I actually offer a full master class. So let's see here. Yeah, nice little bounce off support back to this pre-market area. So that's you could think of like this whole area right here as resistance. So pre-market high is also resistance from support. This is a nice bounce for a Friday's expiration. So that's about it for today, guys. It's good to be back on the tube. I love all you guys. I'm really grateful to be back. Really please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button. If you want to comment on any of my videos, questions, I always get back to everybody who asks me a question. Oh yeah, and then if you want, you can go to jakethestockguy.com. This is where, so jakethestockguy.com, this is where you'd go to get the free daily newsletter. Also, if you want to become a member of the private Slack group, this is where we post our alerts, my daily alerts and watch lists, trading day in and day out. And we also have an options trading masterclass. So that's all I got for today, guys. This is Jake the Stock Guy signing out. God bless. Thank you for being a member, and I'll see you on the charts.